are clear, your signals and your analysis takes 5 minutes, because when you do your indices in the beginning, everything lines up. So take a look here. This is pretty much similar to what we have seen in the dollar. You had a big sell-off, it came back above those lows, and then you have this big powerful tail, and it closed the week at 94.23. But the high of the day is 94.61. It came back all that distance. These kinds of move, guys, but you see here, that is short covering. That is short covering. When it comes above this, is short covering, and this thing should fly up. That close, yes, it is short covering, but it doesn't give me the strength that I can anticipate that this move should continue higher. If you look at the intraday chart, you have a minor or a low degree structure failure right there. So basically on the intraday you have a minor sell signal. You should be selling the Aussie Swiss, and you're looking for at least a push down towards the 9400. So that is one of the first non-confirmation signals that the Aussie has been giving us from its signal for what we've seen on the dollar and what we've seen now on the Aussie Swiss. Yet that's what we see. These are the hints that we get, but still we follow the charts and we follow the signal. So right now, the easy trade for us, we are not going to buy the Aussie Swiss. We have to wait and it takes out the high, which is the 94.61. So I'm going to buy it above 94.61, and I have now a very easy sell signal right below this low, which is the 94.05. So my selling point is when it trades below these lows. I got two, the 94.05 and the 9400. So, and look at the market side, all of them are coming together at or around the 94. So basically that's it. If it breaks below the 94, let's make this 94 because it's the market side, and all of them is only 5 ticks difference. So let's, just to be on the safe side, we take the trade below the 94. And on the structure point to the downside, my structure is the short is the 93.64. And let's see if we have what's our structure to the upside. It's not really a structure, but we'll call it a significant point, which is the 95.37. So the next structure to the upside is the 95.37. And now if I take it above 94.61, I'm going to place my stop below the 94.30, which is, again, this is this, I'm using this because it's the structure point. So my long stop is going to be 94.25, and on the short side, if it breaks below the 9400, I'm going to place my stop right here above 94.10, because now if it cuts back above the 94 and the 94.05, I don't want to give it any much room bigger than that. So 0.9425. 1.5, make it 20, so at least you don't, you're not nickel and dime. Okay, so for the Aussie Swiss, we're going to buy when it trades above the 94.61, which is that high, and if it does, I'm going to place my stop below this, because this is a minor structure. I'm going to place my stop below the 94.25, and on the short side, I'm only going to go short when it takes out this low, and I can see now I have a hint of a sell signal on the intraday chart, so I'm going to short it below the 94, because all I have are all these combined areas. I can take it short below the 9400, and if it does break below the 9400, I'm going to place my stop above 94.25, so I'm giving it 25 pips, and I'm giving it 24.20, and if I buy it above 94.60, I'm still using the 94.25 as my stop. My structure long is 95.37. My structure short is the 93.64. Okay, that is the Aussie Swiss. Let me save that. Okay, now what's the next one?